We have made these a few times, but I wanted to share this with you. If you haven't made the smash burgers, oh, you need to give it a try. It's so good. Now, I'm allergic to ground beef, so I have to use ground turkey, and I wanted to share with you what I do to my ground turkey to make it taste better. I take 1 pound of ground turkey and put about 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce in it, and then I take turkey kielbasa, and I will shred that, not the casing. I give that to my puppy. Just the inside, about 1/4 cup of that, and put in my turkey, ground turkey. This gives it a smoky flavor, and it makes that plain ground turkey taste so much better, and it tastes close to a beef burger for me, because I haven't had one in 20 something years. But if you want to do that, fine. If not, you use your ground beef. But then you will take just a handful of that and smash it onto a small tortilla. And you want to make sure to get the small tortillas. Now I've got my cast iron skillet. I've got some olive oil in that cast iron skillet, and I've got my stovetop eye on medium at the moment. And I'm just going to let that cook, and then I turn my stovetop eye or my burner down to a low, and I decided to cook them low and slow. And you do want to check it, or I did, to make sure that my burger was done. It took up to 10 minutes to cook this burger, and then when I flipped it, I cooked it maybe a few more minutes longer. And what this does is it makes that tortilla crispy, and it's so good, y'all. You don't want to put like a lot of oil in your skillet, but just keep enough in there so that that tortilla can absorb that and get crispy. Once it's finished, you'll know because you can see underneath that it's brown, just like that. Set that aside, top it with cheese, or you could put cheese on it while it's in the skillet. And then we are going to make the yummy sauce. So you'll need 3 heaping tablespoons of mayo, 1 tablespoon of mustard, and I'm just guessing, 3 heaping tablespoons of sweet pickle relish, and about 1 tablespoon of ketchup. Then we're going to give this a good mix. And y'all, this sauce is so yummy that I'm probably going to start using it on regular hamburgers. Oh, it was so good. It just was good. Now, once you've got that done, you're going to put shredded lettuce on top. You could even put tomatoes on top. We didn't have any. And then you're just going to put that yummy sauce on there. And I didn't get a picture of this, but that tortilla will fold up perfectly, and you just eat it like a taco. Now, y'all go try this. You're going to love it.